everyone, I'm Haritha and back with my videos. Comfort zone. Comfort zone is our best enemy. No doubt we try to live comfortably, but life starts throwing rocks in us, brings us more and more discomfort. Still, we never want to address our limitations and move beyond that. We never want to face failures, we never want to have risks, and that definitely restricts our growth. But once we break our comfort zone and start living, life will teach us lot many things which adds for our betterment, and that gradually leads to our achievement. For instance, the first Indian amputee to climb the Mount Everest. That's the great Arunima Sinha. She was a national level volleyball player. In her journey, she was pushed from a running train, and as a result, one of her leg had to be amputated below the knee. For this, the government had paid her compensation, offered a job in Indian Railways, and also she was provided with a prosthetic leg at free of cost by a Delhi-based Indian company. With this, she could live comfortably, but she broke her comfort zone. She addressed her limitations and finally climbed the Mount Everest, which remained as a great achievement. Yes, living souls, I strongly suggest you to start making those calls that you never did. Start practicing kindness and compassion over jealousy and greed. Begin waking up early even if you're not a morning person. Start doing things you know within your heart that you had started a long time ago. From this, we could earn the experience, knowledge that we need to succeed. It's time for you to start dreaming again. And I promise, when you out yourself into discomfort, your family, friends, neighbors starts noticing you, and life will begin to back you up, supports you, and introduce to the person who takes you to the next level. It is all possible when you take your first step. So right this sec, kiss your comfort zone and say goodbye to that to deserve the heights of life. Thank you.